In this video, we will see how to create and customize web form in the OfficeClip Contact Manager. First, you go into Contact Admin and then click on Web Form. When you click on Web Form, you will see all the fields which you have customized in OfficeClip Contact Manager over here. Next column is the display column. This is the column which shows which field will be displayed in the web form. And then finally there is a validate field which shows which field will be validated. If you check mark here, it means that this field will have to be entered by the user in order for the form to submit. And after the form gets submitted, user is shown a return page. By default, it will just show this page, thank you for your time. But you can change this message here. Also, you can put the URL of the next button, meaning you can create a next button there. When user clicks on that button, you may want to send it to the home page. And also you can customize this URL. If you are an advanced developer, you can do some processing before sending it to the next page. By default, what you do is you click on generate HTML code, and let's see, right now it is kind of pop-up was blocked, so let me just unblock the pop-up and then click generate HTML. Once I generate HTML, I found a pop-up here and shows me the HTML code which you have to put on your website. So what I will do is I will just copy this whole thing here, right click on it and then click on copy. Now I go to my favorite editor, which is Notepad++, and then I will paste it here. So once the code is pasted here, this is just a code snippet. This is not really the full HTML code. And you can attach the snippet in your HTML web page, your contact us page or whatever. But in this case, I will try to make it an independent form. So I will make it HTML here, and I will put a body tag here, and I will end this with another HTML body here, and another HTML tag. We end it here. Okay, and finally I save it. Now I'm going to save it in a folder with the test.html. So now this becomes an HTML file, and this HTML file we just provide you the default styles of the forms, etc. And then we also provide you the exact HTML code. Now you are free to change anything over here to make your form looks okay. Only thing you cannot change is this action, and at the bottom there are some hidden field numbers. You should not change the field names here, and at the bottom we have some fixed things here which we read in our program. We should not change this part. Other than that, you can change almost anything here. So let's see how it works. We have saved the file here, so we double click on it. Now we see the file here. Now if you fill this form, it will get into the OfficeClip. Let's see how we can little bit adjust this form. So let's go in there once more to our editor. So now this is the whole thing is a table. I have each row is one field here. One is email address, second one is first name. It's not properly formatted here, but it is basically these are the rows. You see each rows are here. You don't do anything with the hidden fields, which are some rows which you have not selected. So let's just transpose email address and first name. So what I will do for that is the first name starts from here, so it finishes here. So I'm going to go and cut it from here, okay, and I'm going to put it at the top of the email. So I put an entry here and I'm going to paste it here. Now you can see the first name comes here and next the email address. So I save this file and I go back to my form. I refresh this. You can see the first name and email address got changed here. So similarly, what I can do is I want to change some style here. So I'm going to go to class CForm here, and let's see CForm. I want to put a border here, okay, border say 1 pixel and say solid, and I can put a border little bit gray border, okay. So just save it here and then go in here and replace it. You see the border has come in. So like this you can make changes to the look and feel of the form inconsistent to your website. Then you can put this whole code into your website, so your visitor will be able to fill it up and they will be able to submit form to your contact manager. And thank you for your time.